Nahihirapan ka na ba dahil sa dami ng problema na kinakaharap mo sa buhay? Hi, Maylene Catalasan here, and for the past 6 years, we have helped thousands of valued clients, business owners, and sales professionals to double their sales and grow their business in 3 months or less. And today, I will be sharing with you kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin kung nakakaranas ka ng mga matitinding pagsubok sa buhay. Number 1, clarity. Clarity of your goals and clarity of the results na gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay mo. Bakit? When T. Harv Eker said this, what you focus on expands. So kapag nag-focus ka sa mga problema, ang tendency mas marami pang problema ang darating sa iyo. And on the other hand, when you focus on the results that you want, on the changes that you want in your life, ang possibility ay mas marami ang resulta or ang solusyon na darating sa iyo. Marami pang blessings ang darating sa buhay mo. So you have to be clear, ano ba exactly ang resulta na gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko this coming months, this coming years, and the years to come pa. What is it? You have to be clear. And clarity leads to power, right? And number 2, you have to practice being grateful. Having a grateful heart. Bakit? Kasi kung meron kang mapagpasalamat na puso, lagi mong manonotice yung mga blessings, maliliit man yan or malalaki. And what you focus on expands, right? So kung lagi ka nag-focus sa mga blessings na meron ka, kung kahit gaano pa yan kaliit o gaano pa yan kalaki, ang possibility rin ay mas marami pang blessings ang darating sa iyo because you are attractive. Number 3, let go. Kung sa palagay mo, nagawa mo na lahat ng kailangan mong gawin, ng kaya mong gawin, let go. I-let go mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kayang kontrolin. And let God do the rest for you. I hope this helps and have a great day ahead. God bless you.